Transformational Conscious Arts.
My name is Catherine, I'm from Panama, and I work as a yoga teacher, as a healer, as a health coach, and I run yoga retreats in Panama.
Hi, my name is Johanna Härmälä, and I'm talking to you from Costa Rica. I live here at Lake Arenal, where I have created a retreat center called Living Forest.
My name is Sara Castro. I'm a DJ producer of electronic music.
My experience with the conscious arts has been amazing, very transformative. It has shaped a new way of relationship with myself and truth, and has helped me see things that probably I wasn't aware of before.
I can honestly say that there are very few people who have done so much work on themselves. So they really walk their talk. And as healers, this is a great benefit because they know what they are talking about.
The work that I did with Ted in the first session, it was deep, but he didn't even have to touch me. He didn't even have to kind of feel something in my body. He only had to say some words, to ask some questions, and that made me feel what I was having inside. So I could actually cure myself. I could actually heal myself, but it was not going to be possible to do this by myself, because sometimes you just don't want to get in there. You just don't want to face situations in your life. You just don't want to face feelings. But for you to be able to cure something or to heal something, you need to face these things.
They can guide you as they have gone through a lot themselves. And they're both very intuitive, extremely intuitive, and very, very aware of energy. And this allows great shifts to happen. If there's anything you are not aware of, anything you need to embrace, even if your head is saying one thing, energetically it might be a different story. They are very, very clear people to point you out in the right direction, help you embracing all your feelings, so you can make big and deep shifts in your life.
It helped me see what was going on in my issue, or in my current problem, or in my current situation. So that's why I could automatically heal it, and you know, it was a complete exchange of energies that I was having with Ted in that moment, and it was intense. And what I felt after, it was magical. I felt fully energetic. I wanted to keep moving. I felt positive. I felt happy.
I have gained a lot from the healing work they have helped me with, and there's not so many people around who are so clear with energy. So I would go get them and have a few sessions and make big shifts in your life. Be happier, more content, and also learn to be more in alignment with light. Learn how to work with energy, how to go with expansion rather than contraction. How your life can be more harmonious and more exciting. So go and have a session, do a big favor for yourself, and use them.
I feel that the work that Ciara and Ted does is just unlimited. It's just it's infinite. I feel that I want more. I feel that I want more. I want more of it. Like he didn't even have to touch me. So now I want some of those, a few of those massages and some of this other treatment.
The Transformational Conscious Arts and their mastery guides us there.